Let's do these 4 examples to learn how to subtract whole numbers from mixed numbers, beginning with 8 2/3 minus 5. To subtract a whole number from a mixed number, all we need to do is subtract the whole number from the whole number part of the mixed number. The mixed number has 2 pieces, the whole part, which in this case is 8, and the fractional part. Since we're subtracting 5, just take 5 away from 8, and we're left with 3 2/3. It's as simple as that. If we have 8 wholes and 2/3, and we subtract 5 wholes, well, that leaves 3 wholes, and of course we still have that 2/3. Next example, 2 3/5 minus 2. Again, all we have to do is subtract the whole number from the whole part of our mixed number. 2 3/5 minus 2 is just 0 3/5, which we can just write as 3/5. We had 2 wholes, we took away 2 wholes, that just leaves us with the fractional part 3/5. What about 7 5/6 minus 2? Well, if we subtract 2 from 7, that leaves us with 5 wholes, and of course we still have the fractional part 5/6. Finally, the last example is a little different, 4 1/6 minus 6. We can again begin by just subtracting the whole number from our whole part. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. That's the thing that makes this slightly trickier, is now we have a negative. But we also still have that fractional part of 1/6, which is positive. So now we're stuck with negative 2 plus 1/6. But this is quite easy to deal with. Negative 2 plus 1/6 is just negative 1 5/6. And if this isn't obvious to you, you could also write the negative 2 as a fraction. Negative 2 is the same as negative 12/6. So if we add 1/6 to that, you can see that it's negative 11/6, which we can write as a mixed number pretty easily. 6 goes into negative 11, negative 1 times, with a remainder of 5. So it's negative 1 5/6, which agrees with this answer. Here are 4 more examples for you to try yourself. After this, I'll give you 3 more examples that are all like that last problem, a little bit trickier. All right, I'm going to put the solutions to these problems on screen now. There they are. In each case, we just subtract the whole number from the whole part of our mixed number. All right, let's do a few more examples with negatives. Here are 3 more examples for you to try. In each case, we will get a negative number. I'll put the solutions on screen now. And there are the answers. In each problem, you can see how I turned everything into fractions to add stuff together, but that's really not necessary once you get the hang of it. For example, if I have negative 7 plus 4/9, well, instead of negative 7 wholes, since I added a little bit, now I have negative 6 wholes with 5/9 left over. If I have negative 3 wholes plus 3/8, well, that's negative 3 plus a little bit, so now I have negative 2 wholes with 5/8 left over. So you really don't have to go through the trouble with all these fractions, but if that's helpful for you, then feel free. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and check the description for links to other pre-algebra videos. Thanks for watching.